A few months ago, I received a comment from a viewer suggesting Doomsday, which gave me an idea. For this Valentine's Day, instead of talking about couples in love, it's going to be the most iconic life and death battle in the DC universe. Doomsday versus Superman, an epic 3D resin-printed diorama. This is the moment the symbol of hope faces off against the most brutal entity in the cosmos. Today, I'm putting my realism painting skills to the test to recreate the dramatic final moments of Doomsday, the death of Superman. To give Mold Mayhem more motivation to bring these masterpieces to life, don't forget to support us by hitting like, subscribe, and that notification bell. No more talking, let's get started. This model is a special commission sent in by a client for a custom paint job. Our task is pretty straightforward. Unbox it, carefully inspect every piece to make sure nothing's missing, and then move straight to a full coat of gray primer. Since there's no need for support removal or surface prep, this stage is a bit lighter and more relaxed than our usual routine, right? Once every piece has an even coat of primer, it's time to mix up some AB epoxy to bond the components together. I'll focus on securing the larger parts of Doomsday's body to ensure this massive beast structure is rock solid before we dive into the detailed color work. We're kicking things off with a chaotic base. My goal is to recreate the horrific ruins of Metropolis right in the heat of battle. Every texture, from the rubble and shattered concrete to the rusted steel beams and twisted metal, will be rendered with meticulous detail to capture the sheer brutality of the battlefield. Check it out. Next up is the monstrous Doomsday himself. In this step, I'm focusing on bringing out the details of his tattered green gear, those menacing bone protrusions, and especially the shredded remains of Superman's cape gripped in his hand. Every brushstroke is aimed at capturing the raw fury of the one who broke the Man of Steel. With Doomsday done, it's time to bring a fading Superman to life. I'm meticulously detailing his signature red cape, the classic blue suit, and the searing heat vision glowing from his eyes. I want to portray every wound and scar with a sense of agony and despair, staying true to the tragic spirit of Superman's final stand. The final touch to complete this diorama is the Batman batarangs embedded in Doomsday's flesh. It's a small detail, but a powerful nod to the presence of the other Justice League members during this war. In just a few seconds, let's take a look at the final result of this high-stakes masterpiece. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you love this video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on future videos. Goodbye and see you in the next one.